Okay, remember, don't worry about if you can't pronounce it. Come up with your own pronunciation. Farmer Ellentire bought 10 Jepsels every week. He started with 23 of them. Fill in the table for total Jepsels Y after X weeks. Now, remember this. Bought 10 Jepsels every week. He's adding to it, so it's going to be a positive number. There's your M. Whatever they start with, initial, beginning, there's your B. And we're just trying to get to Y equals MX plus B. Now, here's the thing. I like the equation first. So all it is Y equals 10X plus 23. Now, go to your calculator. Better do it. I had some that didn't do it. Go to your home screen. Hit on. Now, all you have to do is new document. It's always no. Hit enter. And we're going to add a graph. Hit enter. Now, we're going to type in that equation. 10x plus 23. Hit enter. Okay, we can see the equation. That's fine. That's great. We can see the line of it. But we want to go to our table. Hit Control T. There's our table. Now, and we can scroll. As long as you're in this column, you can scroll up and down. Here's the thing. Scroll up to 0. We don't need it for 0 because that's your y-intercept, 0, 23. Then you just look down. At 1, what's the number? 33. At 2, 43. Now you got to scroll all the way down to 10. And at 10, what do you have? 123. That's all we're doing. We've already written our equation. Now, which of the following order pairs represents the starting number of Jepsels? Which one is it? A, B, C, or D? It's what? Which one did y'all say? D. 23. 0, 23 right there. That's where we began. That's where we began. Okay, let's look at number 2. Farmer Umpt collected 9 doubles every hour. He started with 63 of them. Fill in the table. Start with the equation. What is 9 doubles? What is that going to be? The slope. There's your M. He started with 63. That's the what? B. That's your y-intercept. So your equation would be y equals 9x plus 63. Starting to make sense? Okay, before we even go to the calculator, we can go 0, 63. We know that already. All right, now, go to your calculator. Let's go through this again. Home, new document. No, add a graph. And we type in 9x plus 63. You probably have to write that down somewhere on a sheet of paper. Hit enter when you start working these. Okay. How do we get to our table? Control T. And we let that do the work. So at 1, it's 72. At 2, it's 81. Then at 10, it's 153. So we just come in and fill in our table. At 1, it's 72. 2 was 81. And then at 10, it was 153. Now, it asks again, which of the following ordered pairs represents the starting number of doubles? A, B, C, or D? C. 0, 63, or y-intercept. That's it. Okay, let's turn it on the back. Look at number 3. What is our B going to be? What's B going to be? 370. Now, look at this. Every hour she squashed 10 more of them. Squash 10 more. Yeah, that's negative 10. Your M is going to be negative 10. So your equation, because squashed, you're getting rid of them. Y equals negative 10x plus 370. Okay? Now, put that in your calculator. You already know this one. That's going to be 370. Put that equation into your calculator. Anybody find out after 1 hour how many she has left? How much? 360. What about after 2 hours? 350. Now, look at this. After 4 hours, 330. Okay, we've already written that y equals negative 10x plus 370. Now, how many limbs will she have after 3 hours? 340. There we go. Try number 4. See if you can get number 4. Find the equation first. That is the big thing. Find the equation first. Then you can do your table. Ooh. Be careful. Erased 7 more. What type of number did y'all use there? Negative, because erase means you're getting rid of. So your equation should have been y equals negative 7x plus 154. This one you should have gotten without the calculator. So that was 147. This one is 140. And then 119. Is that what y'all got for 5? But here's the question. How many after 10 days did she have left? 84. All you got to do is scroll. Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Let me put it in there real quick. Now, when you're putting it in the table, use the down arrow button, or it'll tell you it's while you're putting the numbers in. Y'all know what I'm talking about? It will tell you that it's